Welcome back to the Pineal Room University. I'm your Urban Eco Master. Now today we are going to do a little magic with the sea moss. What we're really going to do is prepare a skin ear lotion using sea moss and some regular oils that we commonly use. All right, so I'm going to blend, of course. So this is some sea moss gel, and then this is also castor oil, organic castor oil. I do have the gel. I have the gel, the sea moss gel, all right? And then this is some extra virgin olive oil. You can choose your olive oil of choice. Some organic oregano. Very powerful, and every house should have this. And then we also have some rosemary oil. We also have some extract, rosemary extract as well. So we're going to prepare a nice, lovely lotion. All right. So let us start here, the blender. And you can guesstimate how much you want to use. Let me see what is going on now. And I hope nothing negative comes to your mind, all right? Nothing negative. That is a little bit too much. So let me just take out some. Let's make a little small batch. A little small batch. Because this now is very nice, you know. This is good too. Yeah. But that's not what we're doing today. What we are going to do now, add some olive oil to this thing. And remember, you're making up your own proportions, all right? So I'm going to put two of this. Two. We're making lotion. We're making the skin lotion and the ear lotion. You can add this to your ear as well as your skin. Yes, this is how Papa's gonna do it. Then we are going to add some olive oil. We're creating what is called an emulsion. I love when my olive oil is rather green than yellow. You know? But we're working with it. We're working with this one today. We're not cooking with this one today. We're making lotion. Now this guy is so strong. You have to take your time. So the castor oil is that deep cellular penetrating oil packed with anti-inflammation properties. So we're using it as the base carrier. And this oil will go wherever you want it to go in the cell as long as you place it over that area. So yes. And then the olive oil is like a supporting oil. Supporting oil for the castor oil, because the olive oil itself is laced with a lot of antimicrobial, inflammatory properties as well. So now we're going to probably put, let us put this entire dropper to it. This thing is very strong, so you have to be careful. You know, do it and test it to see if it, you know. Very strong, very strong. You know, the oregano is something that you must plant as well in your garden. I'm promoting immunity unity gardening, you know. We need to have more of our native herbs being planted in our yards. And I'm going to put a little bit of the rosemary extract. It is because of the sea moss I'm able to use this extract. If you weren't using sea moss, you couldn't add this to the oil. But sea moss will create a lotion or an emulsion with these mixtures. So there's no need to worry. There's a lot of oil in this thing, you know. A lot of oil is in this thing, you know. So let us go and do the right thing. We are going to blend now. We're blending oil and sea moss. You ever hear that before? We're blending oil and sea moss. We're going to stir it a little bit to see what is happening. Remember, we have some more sea moss. Interesting. All these bubbles are running on the surface. You must stay home and do chemistry now. Chemistry now. Wow. It needs a little bit more blending, you know. Nice, lovely lotion, you know, but it needs a little bit more blending. Yes, man, it's coming together. I think I used the wrong. So it looks nice. Coming together, man. You can see how powerful this thing is. And if you want, you can add a little bit more and not adding no more sea moss to it because it's so strong already. Yeah. So now I need the power to pure it. Going to add a little bit more oregano to it because I didn't smell it so strong, so that is good. Don't make it too strong, you know, because remember I warned you, this thing is so powerful. Yeah. Yes, it's more creamy now. And you can let this, you can do this for a while, you know. See, you can rub out and think too, you know. Okay, I'll put it on the face and then wear, you know. Nice, lovely cream. So why you not follow my page and support what I do? You know, so I can do it in them in real life. Support my man. Two me not a big following. Two me not nobody a push it for me. I mean, the ancestors them a do it and the loyal ones them. Support my man. Support me because we do things the realest way. And I can do a lot of things, man. Support the thing. So what I'm going to do now is pour. This is the nice part. You know? Yes! And then you just do this. You know? See? Nice, lovely lotion, you know. And this now, you can add it to even the beard. You know what I mean? And just rub it in. You know what I mean? Babylon a joke, alright? You go to the market, supermarket, go buy poison. And we have real medicine. Yeah. So, this is a gift for some empress and a god who believe in Papa Scala. I'm out.